How to find square root of 484 by long division method. So first make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Okay, now target this first pair. In first pair we have just only one digit, so you have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 4 or nearest to 4. If you place here 2, then 2 square will be 4. So these two must come to the quotient also. 2 times 2, 4. Subtract 0. Bring down the next digit, next pair. 84. 0, 84 means 84. So you have placed here, in the quotient you have placed here the digit 2. So 2 must come under the quotient. Now add. Now here you have to guess a number. This number must come here and you need to multiply and check. Okay, we are taking here a number and this number must come here, so you need to multiply, and this product must be equal to 84 or nearest to 84. If you take here 2, then what will happen? Look, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 4, 8, 84. 80, that is, if you take here 2, then these 2 must come to the quotient also. 2 times 42, that gives you 84. 2 times 42, 84. Now subtract, you are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. Okay, since we have placed the digit 2 in the quotient, so the similar digit will come under the divisor and we need to add. 2 plus 2, 4, then 4. Look, the double of 22 is 44. This signal that our result 22 is correct. So the square root of 484 is 22.